Now, there is a beautiful detail in our gospel today. Dahil hindi naman talaga kailangang mamili. Tignan niyo yung ginawa ng Samaritan. May plano siya, pero may nangangailangan. Sabi niya, sige, sasantabi ko muna yung plano ko, mamahalin ko muna itong taong ito. And he took care of him for a day. And then, he left. Umalis siya ulit to get back to his plans. Hindi naman sinasabi ng Diyos na kalimutan natin ang lahat, talikuran natin ang lahat para magmahal ng iisang tao. Pero sinasabi ng Diyos, if we can do good things for others outside, if we can work for the good of the community, of the country, of your office, of your work, if you can work for the fulfillment of your distant plans, then surely we must also be able to do good to the people right next to us. Loving neighbor literally means loving the person God sent to you. Kung sino yung literal na nasa harap mo, nasa tabi mo, nasa gilid mo, sila ang mamahalin at paglilingkuran